Right, here we are. What is it? Day 4.
Day four. Day 4.
Day 4. We're back on track. We're back, baby.
It's so bad. Lovely conditions for it as well.
Oh, it is.
Absolutely
It is.
gorgeous.
It's absolutely stunning up here.
The view from the top is going to be beautiful.
I can't wait.
Look at that.
We thought it was all over potentially yesterday. We're back. Knee brace on. Rearing to go.
Doubled up on the ankle braces and all.
I couldn't be more geared up, really. Right. I'm not doing much filming up here.
No.
There's nothing to see.
We'll see.
This is it. See you on the top. So warm.
You go 50 minutes. Easy.
Yeah, it's one of the quickest I've ever done it.
Yeah, keep going.
Oh, there she is. No,
Yeah, that's off.
they definitely can't hear us, but... So here we are on day 4, having just done the ascent up Pen y Fan in some absolutely dreadful weather. Now at the end of day 3, I was ready to call it quits because of my bad knee, but avoiding camping in the rain, sleeping the night in a bed, and getting hold of a knee brace, courtesy of Brett, it really did revive me, and so here we are on day 4. The first 3 hours of this 6 to 7 hour section I could barely film at all because the weather was so bad on top of the 4 horseshoes, and honestly I just wanted it over with as quick as possible. And to be fair, even if I did film, the visibility was so bad there really wasn't much to see. So this is the 4th day. It takes us down into Llangynidr and puts us back on track for completing the Beacon's Way in under 8 days. So I hope you enjoy the rest of the video.
Crazy good visibility. You can see down into like Brecon and all that.
Oh, yeah. I might have actually seen the Pont Stick side, no? Yeah. Hold on, where is the railway then? Yeah, something to aim for in the dark.
It's only, what do you think, 4 miles away. Especially given the day, you started well, mate. You started off like 2, wasn't it?
Yeah, that's the thing.
Yeah, look at the horns on that, man.
don't touch that.
In Gaza, like a 1 kilometre strip around the whole thing, and then they paint. I can probably see the path really, can't you? There's like a little gap.
Oh shit. Let's look where I'm going.
Yeah, you go just along, yeah, just down there then. Nice. Oh, look at that little lamb.
It's quite
look at that
podgy.
one, having a big thing with it.
Oh, this one.
Sorry.
This is going into what I call 30 wood.
I bet the colour up in Penavan tonight.
That's a place to sport.
This is just a bit of variety because all this is filmed so far is just like Black
Fog.
Mountain fog. Llangynidr spicing up the video.
Oh, what a dog. He's a cute doggy. Oh, look at it.
Get that face in there.
Oh, she's playing up for the cameras now, see? Really posing.
Hey, Bron.
Out as well for the vid.
For the aesthetics.
Pouring over the map. Oh.
Here he is, look. In his element.
Yeah. Oh, so all I've done this week is fold map, it feels like.
Oh god, that is terrifying. Might actually show the audience the setup, the tent setup. They haven't seen it. I've got my dehydrated meal warming up the tent as it warms up there, but chili non-carne with rice. That's for 5 minutes time. This is the setup. The coffin.